Friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we are looking at another curbside video where we are looking at baskets that are $10 or less. The app has been really weird for when you're trying to do larger baskets. It's not really going to show you the Walgreens cash you're going to get back, like the estimate. It's been going on since the weekend. So these sort of deals, just very easy to do, and I prepared them on the app, and there was no issues. So I'm just throwing that out there because I know we were talking about it, and a lot of you were having the same issue as I about estimates not showing up, Walgreens cash estimates. For this video, you are going to be throwing these items into a cart, pressing the box on the left-hand side with the red check to opt to pick it up at store. You're going to pay for it, drive to the store, and pick it up. It's as easy as that. And a lot of you prefer this type of shopping where you actually don't have to go in store. Now, if your roads kind of look like this, miserable, this is the sort of shopping that makes things a little bit easier, that when the snow actually clears up a little bit, drive to the store and get it. But when it's this bad, I mean, you know what I would do personally? Just stay home with this guy and cuddle, maybe watch a bit of YouTube, and just kind of just stay off the roads, because when the roads are that bad, nobody's having fun. And thumbs up to safe driving, because I certainly hate driving when the roads are really awful. So yesterday, to segue it again, I made a video, curbside deals with the 15 back when you spend 45. You might want to check that out if you want to do a larger basket, but a lot of people were having issues with the app. You could do it on a desktop computer, but unfortunately, with the app, it's not showing the proper Walgreens cash estimates, which is super uber frustrating. So wait later in the week or do it on a desktop computer. I still could not get it to go on Monday evening. Okay, let's get right into this. Deal number one. If you wish to do this deal in store, by all means, for the next two deals, you could do them in store or curbside. The first is to grab 6 bags of the Lay's potato chips on a buy one, get one free. This weekend is the Super Bowl, so lots of these sort of deals where little party food, it's part of it. So 6 bags is $13.77, buy one get one free. And then we're going to load this best friend, which is a 3 off of 5, which is a very generous coupon. I could not get WAG 10 to apply to this. I did try, but that 3 off of 5 is attaching. So if you wish to go in store and look for your chips, by all means. So just to show you guys, the overall basket again is $13.77. This is considered food, so no tax, $3 coming off. $10.77 if you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay 77 cents for 6 bags of chips. That is quite a deal. With this next deal, again, I would recommend to do this one in store. It is to grab 4 of these pizzas on a buy one, get one free, which is really nice, for $15.98. Unfortunately, the sales price, you can't use the code WAG10 with, and because it's a freezer item, I mean, just to be safe, I would go to the store and grab them. And I would use $10 in Walgreens cash, and if you might have a $5 register reward, throw that in as well and pay 98 cents. Just makes it a neat and tidy little deal, and you'll have 4 pizzas for your Super Bowl party, or put a couple in the freezer for, a night that you don't want to make a dinner, just easy, quick food. Okay, now we're going to talk about deals. So this next one, we are going to grab one of these BIC razors. It's on clearance, I'm assuming, or some promotion for $3.36. Now, we have a $4 digital coupon that appeared on Sunday, and it is attaching to this razor, making it completely free. And my understanding is that this can only be done curbside. So if you want a free razor, this is the way to get it. That's a completely free razor. Adding to the basket, we're going to throw in 2 of these Olay Gentle Foaming Face Cleansers for $8.23 on a buy one, get one 50% off. And this coupon is attaching. As you can see, it's an only for you, so hopefully you have the same one as I. And then just to round out the basket, we're going to throw in 2 of these toilet papers, or alternatively the $3.99 paper towel by Walgreens, $7.98. The BIC coupon's coming off, WAG 10 is working, and then the $5 digital for Olay is melting off. The overall total for this basket is $19.57, WAG 10 taking $1.12 off, free curbside pickup tax, and $8.36 right there. The total is $11.20. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you may have it, and pay the $1.20 and call this a very smart basket. Okay, so the next deal that we're looking at is everybody's favorite. We're going to be looking at the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo. We're tossing 3 of these in. Sorry, it's on a BOGO 50% off. I just didn't want to have one wandering bottle of shampoo for the next slide. So we're putting 3 in. And we have this 5 off of 3. So hopefully you have the same coupon as I. It's a very high value coupon for this L'Oreal Elvive. And then we also have a store coupon, which is a 2 off of 2. So basically $3 will come off with the purchase of each bottle. So, hey, that's a little bit of something. And if you love L'Oreal Elvive, you know, this is the time to stock up. And then we're going to also throw in one of these toilet papers just to get the math to balance. If you want to grab the paper towel, go for it. It's just the cheaper paper of the week. And then just to show you the store coupon at the top for L'Oreal, the $5, and then using the code WAG10, an extra $10 off. The overall total is $18.96. $4.10 coming off with all those different store coupons and WAG 10. $5 for the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo. So the total here is $10.75. If you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it and pay 75 cents for this basket. And the final deal that we're looking at is a little bit of cosmetics. We're going to grab a CoverGirl face product. So I'm going with the blush for $8.79. Buy one, get one 50% off. And we're going to get an eye crayon for $7.99 at 50% off for $3.99 because it's buy one, get one 50% off. Both of these items have $2 digitals. And here are the digitals. If you want to be super safe, maybe go into the store, open up your IBOTTA account, and scan the 2 products before you buy them or throw them into your digital cart. IBOTTA has $3 back for the face product and $3 back for the eye product, just to ensure that it'll attach with the $6 of rebates. And it didn't exclude the use of coupons. Mine didn't, so you might want to double check if yours does. Obviously, you can't do the IBOTTA section of this deal. To get the math to balance, of course, I'm going to throw in one of these toilet papers. I'm on a mission to get a wall of gorgeous toilet paper, so I think you can see what I'm doing here. So $3.99 for the toilet paper. And yes, you can use the code WAG10 for this. As you can see, a little bit of money is melting off. We have $1.28 off, and then $4 for the 2 CoverGirl coupons. The overall total here is $16.77, $1.28 off from WAG 10, $4 digital melting off, $12.42. Use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $2.42. Ask the cashier in a very nice way, could you process this through a regular register so you can actually get the physical receipt to photograph it to IBOTTA? If your store gives you nothing but trouble, obviously this is a deal not for you because you need the receipt to photograph it to IBOTTA for an extra $6 back. It makes each CoverGirl product like $1.38 or something very cheap. What a deal. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Be safe on the roads if they are snowy. We'll see you later.